Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of party decorations with the best tabletop balloon arch kit available in the market. Introducing the LANGXUN 12 feet table balloon arch kit.
Whether you're planning a birthday bash,
a wedding extravaganza, or a festive graduation party, this kit has got you covered. Let's talk features. With high-strength glass fiber poles measuring 15 inches each, this kit is built to last.
Plus, it comes with 2 C-shaped plastic clips for added stability.
And with 10 adjustable poles, you can customize the arch to fit any space.
But wait, there's more. You have the freedom to unleash your creativity with this kit. From princess-themed birthdays to elegant weddings, the possibilities are endless. So why settle for ordinary decorations when you can elevate your party with the LANGXUN Table Balloon Arch Kit? Get yours today and let the festivities begin. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy party planning!